Emily, here. You want to feed her? Here, take it all. Oh, good girl. Here's more. Here's more. Oh, we're going to have to wash her hands. Good. Feed her, my love. Put it by her mouth. Put it by her mouth. Okay. Woo. Yes. Oh, you're feeding her. You're doing it. Good girl. Good job, Emily. Good job, young lady. Oh, you petting her? You like him? Yes. Oh, softly, please. Softly. You want to feed her? Okay, let me find some food for you. Okay. Come here. Here. Okay. Emily, right here. Look. Feed her. Right here, Emily. You gonna feed her? Oh, I think she's full. She's full. Yeah. Yeah. You trying to feed her? Okay. Oh, you gotta put it by her mouth. Mark did it last time and she loved it. She feeds the goat. Emily, put it by her mouth. Put it by her mouth. And you gotta clean your hands so good. Well, go give it to her. Go give it to her. Okay, we'll give it to her. Yeah, they're taking. No. No. Over here. Emily. Over there. Look, there's more over there, my love. Do it softly, Emily. Gentle.